Hi everyone, today I'm talking about how you buy stocks on Degiro. And Degiro is the UK broker that I use, and I've got quite a few UK followers on here, and I think a few UK followers have kind of seen my video that I've done about talking about Degiro and why I choose to use Degiro and why I think it's the best stockbroker in the UK for you to be using. Obviously that's just my opinion, but I think a few people have watched that video and then they've kind of like got the investing kind of idea and how do you do it all, and kind of gone on Degiro and then kind of thought it's a little bit complicated on how to work it. So on this video today I thought I'd show you how I make or buy some shares on Degiro. So if you haven't already, you'll have to go onto the App Store and download Degiro. There is a web browser that you can use, and I think it's probably easier actually to set up your account on the web browser than the actual mobile app. But I think you can do it on both either way. But personally for me, day to day, if I'm looking to buy some stocks, I'm going to go on the actual mobile app to go and buy some stocks, and that's what I do. So if I'm going to go on Degiro, I'm going on the App Store, open my app, put my code in, I'll come onto my account. Now I'm going to put a video on top like showing how to do it, and I was actually going to talk you through how to do it while watching the video, but I've done a bit of a stupid thing and I've recorded it on my phone doing a screen recording, and then realised I actually can't talk about the video because it's on my phone and I'm using that to record this video right now. So I'm going to put the video up and hopefully I'll remember how to do it off the top of my head right now. But if you go into the app, you should be able to go on, you should be able to search for the stock that you're looking to buy, and when you're searching for the stock you want to buy, you'll be probably clicking on it, and then you'll have the option to go buy the stock. And when you go into the stock, you'll be able to select what kind of, if you want to buy now, if there's a certain price you want to buy at. Normally I just do a market order and buy whatever at the time the stock price is at, and then I would enter the quantity, how many shares I want to buy. So just for this video, so I'll show you how to do it, I only decided to buy one, and then I would go and buy that stock and click buy, and then eventually I'll be able to buy that stock, and then it'll pop up on my portfolio of everything that I own, and it'll be there. And it's that pretty simple, guys. Like, it generally takes about 20 seconds to go buy a share on Degiro. It's nice and easy as long as you've got the right amount of money in your account to cover the costs of it. And also you have to put a little bit extra on in case of like currency changes, but it's a little bit over exaggerated, but it's not too bad really. And it's that simple really to buy shares as soon as you get that account set up for Degiro. So hopefully guys, if you're looking how to purchase any stocks, shares on Degiro, that was a quite nice easy video for you to understand. And if there's any more questions you have about Degiro, I'll be able to answer them probably in the comment section, so just leave some comments down below if you need any extra help. But if you were finding that a little bit tricky, hopefully that's a little bit useful for you, or if you were just interested in seeing how it works, hopefully that helped you. And a little bit of a shorter video today, guys, but something a little bit basic I think as well, so I don't need that too long to explain. So if you could give that video a like, subscribe if you haven't, that'd be absolutely amazing, and I'll see you on the next video.